years.
Now to the other big story tonight. Dozens of Florida businesses under investigation by the Department of Health. It all stems from complaints over proof of vaccination. Remember, the Department of Health just cracked down on this, promising up to $5,000 those fines for businesses that go against the state's vaccine passport ban. 10 Tampa Bay's Angelina Salcido explains which Tampa businesses made that list and if those potential fines will actually hold up.
In early September,
that violates Florida law.
Governor Ron DeSantis made it clear vaccine passports have no place in Florida.
You will face a $5,000 fine for every single violation.
Now the Florida Department of Health is sticking to that promise. 111 businesses and entities are under investigation, nearly 10 in Tampa Bay, including the Strass Center. Safety protocols say anyone who goes to see a show must show a negative test or proof of vaccination.
That is something that under the statute they cannot do. I believe that under the case law from the United States Supreme Court, they can do.
Jeffrey Swartz, professor of law at WMU Cooley Law School, says federal law makes enforcement by state government difficult.
A person who runs a business has no right to inquire of the people who come into the business whether they are vaccinated or not, or to prove that they are vaccinated if they allege that they are. Directly contrary to law from the United States Supreme Court.
Cruise lines like Norwegian are also mentioned on the Department of Health's list. The company is fighting the passport mandate in federal court, but Swartz isn't sure smaller companies will be able to fight the department's fines, saying they could just be used as intimidation.
I think that they're bluffing. I don't think that they'll go through with this because they're setting up a challenge to that statute, which I don't think they can win.
We asked the Strazz about being on the investigation list. They told us they didn't know anything about the process.